Hey everyone, I'm Erick Widman, an attorney at Passage Immigration Law. In today's video, we're diving into an important topic, your rights as a green card holder when re-entering the U.S. after traveling abroad. At Passage Immigration Law, we help green card holders navigate tricky re-entry situations all the time. So if you're dealing with travel-related concerns, know that you're not alone. In this video, we'll cover the top reasons green card holders get detained at the border, what CBP can and cannot do, and how to handle extended questioning or secondary inspection. So let's start with a real-world example, slightly changed for privacy. One of our potential clients had been living in the U.S. as a green card holder for over 5 years. He traveled to Argentina for a family event and expected a routine re-entry when he returned. But instead of breezing through, he was pulled aside, questioned for hours, and detained. Why? Because he'd been out of the country for more than 6 months, a detail that raised concerns about whether he still intended to live in the U.S. permanently. Unfortunately, this person's experience isn't unusual. So let's break down the most common reasons green card holders face issues like this at the border. Number 1, extended absences. If you're out of the U.S. for more than 6 months, immigration officials may suspect you've abandoned your permanent residence. Even if your trip was for a good reason, you'll likely need to show proof, job, a lease, close family ties to demonstrate that you still maintain your U.S. residence. And if you're gone for over a year, U.S. immigration will view your visa as void, completely void altogether. In that case, you will be required to apply for a special returning residence visa or even a new immigrant visa to come back. Number 2, criminal record. Another common issue is having a criminal record. Even minor arrests or convictions, especially those that happen after you receive your green card, can raise red flags. CBP officers will examine your history closely and may decide to detain you for further review. It's important to understand that even a seemingly minor charge could affect your ability to enter the U.S. smoothly. Number 3, suspicious travel patterns. If you're taking frequent short trips abroad without strong ties in the U.S., like a steady job, a home, or close family, CBP might suspect that you're actually living elsewhere and just using your green card to come and go. That suspicion can trigger deeper questioning and secondary inspection as officers try to determine your true intent. Number 4, not meeting residency requirements. As a green card holder, you're expected to live in the U.S. the majority of the time. If you're spending more than half the year outside the country, that can cause problems at the border. So one key way to prevent this, apply for a re-entry permit before leaving the U.S. for an extended trip. This shows that you're planning ahead and maintaining your ties here. If you need help with that, our team is more than happy to guide you through the process. Now let's talk about your rights. Knowing your rights as a green card holder can make all the difference during re-entry. Here's what you need to keep in mind. You have the right to return to the U.S. unless you've abandoned your residency or committed a crime. CBP cannot detain you indefinitely. They must have a valid reason to question you. You have the right to remain silent beyond giving basic identifying information. But be aware, refusing to discuss your residency can also raise suspicion. Although we hope for the best, it's important to be prepared for the worst. If you're pulled aside for extended questioning, here are some tips to help you stay in control. Of course, stay calm and respectful. Don't sign anything you don't understand. Ask for legal counsel. Request a lawyer if you're being held or detained. If your green card is lost or expired, be ready to show alternative proof of status, such as a valid passport with an I-551 green card stamp, a re-entry permit, a receipt notice for a green card renewal, or a returning resident visa. Yes, immigration law is complex, and the consequences of getting it wrong can be serious. If you're dealing with extended absences, past convictions, or challenging reentry issues, it's essential to speak with an experienced immigration attorney. At Passage Immigration Law, we're here to support you every step of the way. And remember, the ultimate way to protect yourself from these risks long-term is to become a U.S. citizen if you can. We'd be honored to help you through your naturalization process. If you know anyone who could benefit from this information, please share this video because information is power. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.